Hello everyone, welcome to MedTube channel. Today, here's a potential question. As you can see, this question is asking about the spermatogenesis. In general, spermatogenesis itself takes 74 days to complete. So, firstly, let's have a quick revision using upcoming diagram. So, it will sum up some of the important points for your preparation. Let's have a quick overview about this diagram. This cycle starts by the father contributing spermatozoa and the mother providing the oocyte, leading to the formation of the zygote. We begin with the zygote, which undergoes mitosis, forming the blastocyst. The blastocyst contains inner cell mass. The inner cell mass gives rise to the epiblast, which forms the primordial germ cells. Coming by another question, primordial germ cells derived from? The answer is epiblast, because the epiblast is a crucial structure that forms nearly all cells and tissues in our body. We can add another important point. The epiblast forms the three germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Additionally, there is a fourth germ layer known as the neural crest cells. However, before the germ layers are formed, the epiblast produces primordial germ cells. Don't forget to remember the 5 derivatives of epiblast: primordial germ cells, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, and the neural crest cells. Coming back to the point, primordial germ cells are the first sex cells in our body. They can form either sperm or oocyte, depending on the genetic factor. You might already have a question in your head. How is it determined whether primordial germ cells will form sperm or oocyte? That depends on the Y chromosome. The Y chromosome is acrocentric. On its short arm, it has sex region Y gene. This sex region Y gene is present. Primordial germ cells develops into sperm and the individual will become male. If the sex region Y gene is absent, the primordial germ cells will develop into mature oocyte and the individual will become female. That's the point. So we move further. Mitosis occurs, initially allowing primordial germ cells to form gonocytes. It further differentiates into gonia, spermatogonia or oogonia, depending on the presence of Y chromosome. Next, we see the formation of the primary gametocyte, which could be either primary spermatocyte in male or primary oocyte in female. In male, the secondary spermatocyte gives rise to the spermatid, which further mature into spermatozoa. Here is another important note. When does the meiosis begins? Meiosis starts only at the level of primary spermatocyte or primary oocyte stage. Then what happens before meiosis? All the divisions before meiosis are mitosis. Spermatogonia or oogonia forms primary spermatocyte or primary oocyte through mitotic division. Meiosis begins only at the level of primary spermatocytes or secondary spermatocyte. Let's go back to the question. As I have shown you earlier, this question is asking about the steps of the spermatogenesis. Before answering the question, just imagine the sequence of the spermatogenesis, beginning from the primordial germ cells, leading to the formation of spermatogonia, which further forms primary spermatocyte, which forms the secondary spermatocyte. The secondary spermatocytes forms the spermatids, leading to the formation of spermatozoa. So, okay. Now we are going to solve the question. What it could be? The first. It's going to be the number 3, spermatogonium, followed by the number 2, spermatocyte, which can be primary spermatocyte or secondary spermatocyte. And the secondary spermatocyte forms number 1, spermatid. Finally, spermatid forms the spermatozoa. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Thank you for your time and attention throughout this session. I wish you all the best for your preparations. Signing off from the MedTube channel and see you from the another video. Cheers.